Understanding the phrase, ice over, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, ice over. This is a phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations, especially during the colder months. So, if you are curious to know what it means and how to use it in a sentence, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Ice over is a phrasal verb that is made up of two words, ice and over. On its own, ice is a noun that refers to frozen water. The word over in this context is used as a preposition that means covering or across the surface of something. When these two words are put together as ice over, they describe the process of a surface becoming covered by a layer of ice. You can use ice over to talk about various surfaces that can become covered with ice. Here are a few examples. Bodies of water. The lake has iced over, so it's safe to go ice skating now. Roads and sidewalks. Be careful while driving. The roads have iced over. Windows. It was so cold last night that the car windows iced over. In each of these examples, ice over is used to describe a surface that has become completely or partially covered with ice, usually due to cold temperatures. Sometimes, English learners might get confused and use ice over in the wrong context. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Do not use ice over to talk about placing something in the freezer. For example, don't say, I need to ice over this drink to make it cold. Instead, you can say, I need to chill this drink in the freezer. Ice over is used for surfaces, not for making ice cubes or freezing food. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, ice over. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and that you now feel confident using this phrase in your everyday conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using ice over in a sentence today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.